So people, welcome back to the Biobasics of the channel. I'm William. In today's video, I'm going to work on the Rallye. And we got some very, what a mess, exciting things over here. A set of SKF stuff, drive shafts and wheel bearings. One of the wheel bearings is absolutely shot and one of the drive shafts is worn out. So I'm going to change those. Well, at least I'm going to do the drive shaft, and the wheel bearings, Don is going to do those. But that will be done at his work, and there's no filming over there. So it's just going to be magically be replaced. So yeah, so time's running out. So let's get started. Dit is een pas hoor. Dat is wel ruiken. Dat is wel niet. Super. Kijk maar naar het naafkoop. Kut, ik had even het 6 GT moeten bestellen. Fuck! Dan gaan we alles altijd passen, denk ik. We moeten wel eventjes... Omdat het natuurlijk een 1.9 is hier, maar het is natuurlijk een Rallye. Ah, kut. Maar heb je nog een setje nieuwe wagens? Voor een auto die je niet hebt. Okay, of course, I effed it up. Obviously, look, this is the new axle of the drive shaft. And this is the old one. What do you see? This is a 1.6 GTI, this is a 1.9 GTI. The reason for that is, because it's 1.9, I just blindly assumed it had a 1.9 running gear at the front, which it doesn't, because the Rallyes are based on the 1.3 Rallyes are based on the 1.6 GTI ones. So everything is 1.6 GTI, even though it has 1.9. So I just it didn't even cross my mind that it's wrong. But luckily I have these. These are the stock ones, and these are from a Citroen XR VTS, which came from that one. I'm going to put these things on, but they're all negative camber. For now that's alright, but I'm going to look for 1.9 GTI ones and then swap them over. I got the new bearings anyway. Where are they? Brand new. I'm going to swap those things over. This is for now, but at least everything is new. So yeah. So what we're going to do now is just swap everything over and drive it around like that. So yeah, let's go do that. So, this side is in. All I need to do is tighten this thing when the wheel is on the ground. And now it's the annoying bit. I have to do the long axle, which you have to disassemble from the top to the bottom of the engine. That's going to be a bit of annoyance, but it needs to be done. Let's go do that. So luckily these bolts are not too difficult to get to. I've done this a couple of times. Those are these two nuts over here. They're connected to the bolts that are connected to the drive shaft. And these things will just come out if you loosen them. They're annoyingly long, but well, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, let's go do that. Yeah, and with these two nuts off, let's see, that's the last one. These bolts just come out like that. Well, they're actually in between the bearing. You can now pull the axle out. Well, yeah. Look in there, those are the two bolts. Yeah, and now it's time to put the new axle in. So for the viewers who are paying a little bit of attention and know the stuff, probably going to think, wait, hold on. If you're going to do that with the XR hubs, are the brakes going to fit? The answer to that is no, they don't. 1.6 GTI brakings, everything won't fit like the other system. 1.9 GTI have different braking discs and everything, and it just doesn't fit. I knew that, but I forgot because you know, sometimes I don't really think what I'm doing, as it turns out. But you know, that things happen. So how I solved everything is just by new drive shafts. I ordered 1.6 GTI drive shafts with matching wheel bearings and got it fitted. But both my GoPros died. I didn't film any of that. I finally got a Garmin. I got that from Martin from POD. Thanks for that, by the way. I did the swap in the summer, and it's now winter. So it's been a while. This video has been long in the making, so I'm just gonna cut to finish this off finally now. But everything is fixed. I'm in the car right now. I'm gonna take it for a little drive. I actually took it for a little drive right now. I did that, and no vibration or nothing, as you can see in this clip. I'm now driving perfectly. No more vibrations anywhere. Give it the gas a little. Nothing. Yet again, it's a smooth ride. Oh, I'm happy with this. Man, I should have done this more early. And after you just saw that, I'm going to end this video right here probably. Or maybe we're going to do some driving, inboard driving. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to cut. I can just edit it to the last bit. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Later on.